In a bustling office, where deadlines were tight and pressures were high, there worked two colleagues, Alex and Rose. Their boss, Mr. Thompson, valued teamwork and mutual respect above all. Alex glances over at Rose, who is typing slowly and looking stressed. Alex was efficient and quick with his work, while Rose often struggled to keep up. This led Alex to form an opinion about Rose's abilities. Rose was dealing with personal challenges. Caring for a sick parent at home was taking a toll on her performance at work. Alex talks to another colleague, Sarah, during a coffee break. Rose is so slow with everything. I don't understand how they even got this job. It's frustrating to see someone not pulling their weight. Sarah looks uncomfortable but doesn't respond. Alex's judgmental attitude spread negativity in the office. He never took the time to understand Rose's situation. The next day, Mr. Thompson calls Alex into his office. Mr. Thompson says, "Alex, I've noticed you've been quite vocal about your opinions on Rose's performance. Is that correct?" Alex, looking a bit smug, nods. Alex says, "Yes, Mr. Thompson. I just think everyone should be held to the same standard." Mr. Thompson nods thoughtfully and hands Alex a thick folder. Mr. Thompson says, "I see. I have a special project for you, Alex. It's crucial and requires immediate attention. You'll need to stay late to complete it." Alex looks surprised but accepts the challenge. Alex took on the project, confident in his abilities. But as the hours passed, he found it more challenging than he anticipated. Alex struggling at his desk late at night, looking frustrated and tired. As Alex worked late into the night, he began to feel the pressure and exhaustion Rose faced daily. The next morning, Alex hands in the project, looking worn out. Mr. Thompson calls him back into his office. Mr. Thompson asks Alex, "How was the project, Alex?" Alex, humbled, responds, "It was tough, Mr. Thompson. I didn't realize how challenging it would be." Mr. Thompson replies, "Exactly. I assigned it to you so you could understand what Rose deals with. Rose is managing their workload while caring for a sick parent at home. They've been doing their best under very difficult circumstances." Alex says, "I'm sorry, Mr. Thompson. I shouldn't have judged Rose." Mr. Thompson says, "Remember, Alex, do not judge so that you will not be judged. We all have our battles. Let's focus on supporting each other." Alex approaching Rose at their desk says, "Rose, I'm sorry for judging you. I didn't know what you were going through. If you need any help, please let me know." Rose, surprised but relieved, smiles and says, "Thanks, Alex. I appreciate that. Remember, do not judge so that you will not be judged. In understanding each other's struggles, we build a stronger, more compassionate community. Do not judge, or you too will be judged. For in the same way you judge others, you will be judged, and with the measure you use, it will be measured to you." Matthew chapter 7 verse 1 and 2.
Please like, share, subscribe.